I'm going to take you through on how to use the portal. You log in like this. The first thing you do on your activity feeds, you go straight to groups. Now when you click on group, you should be able to see all the feeds that have been posted in the group. And here you can then click on which thread to follow. Like for example, today's thread is 27th of March, which was posted earlier by the CEO. Once you're here, either you come directly to activity feed and you click on groups, or you check from up here, then you click on forums. Be sure to select the Summit Team forum from the list that shows up. Mine it's not showing because I am a different kind of user. I'm going to use the groups section. When I click here, I'll go to Summit Team. Once it loads, I will be able to see the feeds directly. Then I would select discussions because it's discussions that are kept in threads. Say if a topic is opened, like these topics here, you're supposed to post yours on the reply area. So when I open an activity like this one, which was posted earlier, you should be able to see here that it tracks all replies that have been put on that post. So what you do, you can subscribe to it. That means you will be able to get notifications whenever something new is posted on that, and then you can as well now reply. So this is where you post your daily activities or any comment related to this particular topic. So you post your comment. Once you post it, it will come here. First, second, and the third one. Now if I want to remove it, I will simply come to feeds, then I will come down here on to notes. I'll say delete this from the feed, but it will stay on the conversation channel. That's why you're supposed to post for a given day, if there is any, or you can follow other threads or other discussions. If there is any resource you would like to share with everyone, or any resource that will be shared, maybe documents, they'll be posted in this document, any photos or something like that. Now if you have anything you want to share directly with someone, you go to members. When you're in members, you pick someone you would like to share info with, and don't forget, please follow each other. You'll be able to receive notifications from them and also connect so that you can be able to see feeds from what they have posted through your timeline. When you go to activity, the first area I started explaining, if I want to send a direct message to FX, I'll click his name. When it opens, I scroll here to message. So from here I can be able to send him a message directly here. So if he replies, I will see a notification from here that FX has replied my message. Alright, anything else, let me know. Thanks.